Hello kids, let's learn some colors, then reading and writing, ABCD and 1 to 3 counting. ओके, तो फर्स्ट हम आपको इस कलर नेम सिखाऊंगा, आप ध्यान से देखिएगा। हम आपको इस वीडियो में ABCD एंड 1 to 3 काउंटिंग सिखाऊंगा। ओके, वायलेट कलर, रेड कलर, पिंक कलर, येलो कलर, ब्लैक कलर, ऑरेंज कलर, व्हाइट कलर, लाइट ग्रीन कलर, ब्राउन कलर, sky blue color, green color, violet color, sea green color, light pink color. A. A for apple. A for apple. B. B for ball. B for ball. C. C for cow. C for cow. D. D for dog. D for dog. E. E for elephant. E for elephant. F. F for fish. F for fish. G. G for grapes. G for grapes. H. H for horse. H for horse. I. I for ice cream. I for ice cream. J. J for jackfruit. J for jackfruit. K. K for king. K for king. L. L for lion. L for lion. M. M for mango. M for mango. N. N for nest. N for nest. O. O for orange. O for orange. P. P for pen. P for pen. Q. Q for queen. Q for queen. R. R for rat. R for rat. S. S for sister. S for sister. T. T for tiger. T for tiger. U. U for umbrella. U for umbrella. V. V for vegetable. V for vegetable. W. W for watermelon. W for watermelon. X. X for X-ray. X for X-ray. Y. Y for yak. Y for yak. Z. Z for zebra. Z for zebra. 1. This number is 1. 2. Yellow color. 2. This number is 2. 3. Light green color. 3. This number is 3. 4. Blue color. 4. This number is 4. 5. Red color. 5. This number is 5. 6. Violet color. 6. This number is 6. 7. Sky blue color. 7. This number is 7. 8. Brown color. 8. This number is 8. 9. Sky blue color. 9. Sea green color. 9. This number is 9. 10. Pink color. 10. This number is 10. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.